Hi, I'm Madeline Chipolit. The next activity that I'm going to do is 2.1.3, build the chapter topology. And here's the learning objectives. Place and physically configure the devices. Place the devices in the topology, add modules, the routers, name the devices, change the device display names, connect the devices, connect the routers to each other, connect LANs. Task 1. Place and physically configure the devices. Step 1. Place the devices in the topology. Drag 31841 routers for the devices area. So first is routers using the 1841. So R1, R2, R2, R3. The next is S1 central is switches using 2960 switches. So S1, then S2, then S3, and then PC using the generic PC. So PC1, PC2, PC3. Okay. So all the devices is already in the topology window. So next is add modules to the routers where it's free counters. Click on the router. The router configure window opens the physical selected. So routers. So router 1. So physical. So WIC that's 2. So let's configure. So let's drag this. And turn it on. And then R2. Diyos ko po, ito mga ingay ninja. R3. Ito ay gana mag-imo. Nakakadyo. The next is drag. Okay. And name the devices. So change. So access router 1. The router configuration window opens with the configure selected. Set the display name to R1. So display name configuration. So R1. Step. Get R1. Oh, ito pa naman. Here, reporting. kay laptop, tagubaon, mabing sa ang problema sa kinabuhi. R3. So next is switches. So this one. S2. S2. S3. Switch 3. Switch 3. S3. So my completion here is still 0. So change display name to the PC. So number 3 ang PC 3 ang una. So PC 3. Sunod ang PC 2. Ayan naman si ako. Then 1. C1. Okay, completion 0 pa. The next is, so we're finished changing the names of the devices. So task 3, connect devices. Connect the routers to each other. So select connection in the device area. Use serial DCE cable to connect the interface serial 0/0 on router 1. Okay, router 1. Using the DCE cable. Quiet mo mga manok. So, serial 0/0. The next is serial 0/01 sa router 2 using DCA. So, serial 001 to router 3. 001. The next is use copper straight through cable to connect interface. Okay, so using the copper straight through cable. So R1. So fast Ethernet 0/0. So R1 to is 1. And then R2 to switch to. Okay, and R3 to S3. And switch 1 to PC1. So using fast Ethernet. Switch to fast Ethernet 0/2 to fast Ethernet. Connecting to fast Ethernet. So PC2. And next is, so yung last is 3 0 slash 0 using fast Ethernet 0 slash 0 slash 2 to fast Ethernet. So, step 3, verify configuration. Verify your configuration by clicking the check results. So, and we can see here that our completion here is 100%, but let's still check the result in the assessment. So, activity result, assessment items. So, here's the assessment items, networks. So, these are the networks, PC1, PC2, 3, R1, R1, 2, R3, S1, S2, S3. So, here's the complete activity. So, the completion here is 100%. So, that's all for this activity. And thank you for watching. Hope you learn something from this activity. So, thank you.